If you have received a DOCX file from someone and are on a version of Word 2003 or earlier, you won't be able to read the file. This tutorial will show you how to convert DOCX to doc so you can read the file. Your first option is to download the Microsoft Office Compatibility Pack. This is perfect for people who have many DOCX files to open. It converts files to a usable form as you open them. Search Google for Microsoft Office Compatibility Pack and click the top link. Click the red Download button on the next page, and in the window that appears, click No Thanks and continue. The pack will download, and this can take some time. When the download is finished, click on it and open the file. Click Yes in the dialog box that appears, accept the license terms, and click Continue. The installation will run. When it is finished, click OK. Now, when we try to open a DOCX file in Word 2003, it will work just fine. To convert this to a doc file, click File, then Save As, and by default, the file will be saved in the older format. Alternatively, if you just need to convert the occasional DOCX file, it can be easier to do so online. Open your preferred internet browser and visit the website www.doc.investintech.com. Click the blue Browse button on this page. Select the DOCX file from your computer and click Open, and the website will convert the file. After a moment, a Download button will appear. Click this and the file will download. Open the file, and that is how to convert DOCX to doc.